Red Sky Week, hopefully we'll look back at this as the beginning of a trend. You guys should have seen this space when we first looked at it. It was a furniture warehouse, so not a furniture showroom like in the design district. Where's the fire tech? Why aren't you building any applications for us? Back when Arvind and I founded Pano, the way fires are detected is a bystander happens to see the fire and calls 911. The fire community was looking for a way to speed up the detection and the response.
Can we get it faster? And can we get a whole bunch of other data that will allow us to make an informed response?
This is a pretty close replica of what a Pano station would be in the field. We use 2 off-the-shelf, super high-end, ultra-definition security cameras. So we've always done our own manufacturing. We warehouse here a lot of inventory so we can be super responsive and fast as soon as a customer order comes in. We pull a kit of materials for that particular unit. Here's a couple systems that are being provisioned right now. And this is like secret sauce, where we do our own, basically, testing at our own site, and then we do testing again at the install site. And then this is what it looks like when we're getting ready to ship them out. Each one of these crates is all the materials needed to install a Pano station.
This is no longer a West Coast problem. It wasn't even what happens in your country. It's what happens in another country that's a visual reminder of the risk.
We've seen hundreds now of examples where that early detection made all the difference.
We're extremely optimistic, ton of progress.